I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Checking your account balance with Barclays is straightforward, and I'll guide you through the steps. Step 1. Log into the Barclays app. Open the Barclays mobile app on your device and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have the latest version of the app for the best experience. Step 2. Navigate to Accounts. Once logged in, look for the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a summary of all your accounts. Step 3. Select your account. Tap on the specific account you want to check. This could be your checking, savings, or credit account. Step 4. View balance. Your account balance will be displayed prominently on the account details page. You can also see recent transactions here. Step 5. Log out securely. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you ever forget your login details, you can reset them directly through the app. Happy banking!